Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Chubaranks. Today with Cynthia. Hello.
Hi.
Have you ever wanted to make biscuits and gravy? Because I'm about to show you how. Check it out. Alright, so today's ingredients, you'll need some leche, some milk, got a garlic, I have one bell pepper, gonna use like a quarter of the onion right there, some Italian sausages, I think we're only gonna use 3 of them, but that'll be used, and biscuits. Make sure when you buy them, I guess you can make them, but I don't know how to do it yet. Soon, get the ones that peel off and flake like that. So you wanna get those flaky ones, got the Kroger brand, save some money. Let's get started. So first things first, we're going to start with chopping up our sausage. I like to chop it up. I like bite-sized or a little bit smaller than that pieces in my biscuits and gravy. Also, I recommend hot just because I like a little spice in my life, but you can get the mild one if you want to be a little lame. That's okay. So just keep chopping it up. We're going to chop it up a little bit while it's inside of the pan, but just wanted to share that too. And then we'll chop up the rest of this. And we'll be chopping up the onion right now and the bell pepper along with our garlic. Alright, so now it's time to finish adding the last of the aromatics. We got the bell peppers in there already. Now we're just finishing off with the onion and the garlic. Pungent smells, flavorful smells. Should be great. And then if you can see, down at the bottom of the pan there's some juices. We're going to be using those to help make our, I guess it's a roux kind of, but technically it's going to be for gravy. So we'll get that, finish this up, and then start on that gravy. Now is the scariest part of the meal. You would think it'd be with the knife, but it's not. It's opening up this little package right here. How do you do it? I don't know. Look, it didn't even open. Now the scary part. Nope. Nope. Oh! And there we go. Now we'll put them on the pan, get them in the oven, and get ready to enjoy our biscuits and gravy. Alright, to get the gravy started, we're going to start pulling out the meat. I like to strain it on the side with the spoon. Obviously, if there's some juice in there, that's going to be okay. But get that going. Almost done. Need somebody. Amazon did a great job with that song. I freaking love it. Don't mind Miss Marcy in the background being all loud. Alright, so I got as much of the meat out as I could. And now we're going to put a little bit of butter to help out. Just a little bit. Not a lot. It is going pretty quick. Alrighty. Poquito butter. Just like my tía Angela. Un poquito de sal, but this is not sal. Cool. Beautiful, beautiful. And now we need to start cooking the flour. So the easiest way to do this is I like to sift it. Sift the butter. So it's not as clumpy. Is this in the shot? Yep, there we go. And then we'll pour it over the thing right here. I can't give you exact measurements. It's kind of just however thick you like it. That's what she said. And I shake it over. Shake, 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 shake it, shake it. And then, see how look at the difference between the top layer, bottom layer. Always sift your butter. Gosh, dang it. Flour, if you can. Always sift it. And we'll check on the consistency right now, and then maybe put some more milk to get some more gravy going. But I need to get the flour to cook a little bit more. So here is the consistency of the gravy. Looks pretty good. I don't like it too thick. I like it kind of to run. It'll reduce down a little bit more right now. And then I just gotta throw in the sausage. Sausage.
Yeah. So she's. She doesn't talk very much. And I was like,
Beautiful.
oh, she is. She's got him. She is. She's typing something to him.
That's how that works.
And now we just got to pour it on top of our biscuits. I think they're ready. Let's take a look. Almost. They're almost there. So I guess you have to wait till that final plating.
He looked like that. He looked like
Time
that.
to pull out the biscuits. Let me pull them out with my
Skinny, nerdy.
bare hands. Golden brown. And my favorite part is when it peels off right there like that. Oh, can't get you all hot and heavy. Time it is taste test time. I got a special guest, Michael. He says he hates biscuits and gravy, but I'm gonna change that today. Let's see how it came out. Beautiful. A little cheers here.
That is pretty bomb.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing?
The bits of sausage right here in the building.
He likes the bits of sausage. You hear that, people? Till next time, hit that like button, subscribe, share with all your friends. You want brunch for cheap? We got you. Till next time. Nos vemos.
Good.
Everybody just attacked the plate. Beautiful.
Love. You could taste the
Candy.
Oh, it's real good.
I'm good, thank you.